Hey guys, Abhishek here, a 20 years old self-taught graphic designer based in India. Anyways, in this video we will talking about removing things from or objects from a picture. So here's our image. And let's grab my lasso tool and place a selection around the object or a person. Right click and go to fill, content aware and press OK. This will take some time because my computer is not so high specs. So you can see the magic. The person is removed by the content aware fill selection, and please be specific while selecting the object or person, and the same process for all objects for all persons to remove them from a picture. Well, the second person will also be removed in some time. Boom. But you can see the three ladies in the bikini and we will have to remove them. So the same process for all of them. Okay, so now all things or person are removed, but some mistakes are rested, like this thing, like you can see the patch. So select the patch tool under over here, select the patch tool and select this area and just drag this like this. So I will be right there by selecting all the patches. Okay, all the patches are removed, all the person's objects are removed, but you can see this little patch or this little wave of water is rested. So what is now? So just go over here and select the content aware fill and try to adjust this by content aware fill option, but you can see the quality is not so okay. So just go over here and select the clone stamp tool. Click Alt plus right click to sample a clone and just paint Well, so it's all about a wrap up guys for this video. What do you think about this video? Write your opinions in the comment section. It's only for you. Bye bye, take care. We will meet in the next video. Signing off.